In this lecture, we will learn how to skip the staging area. So we will make a change to file1.txt. So we change the content of file1.txt to login. And here the green indicator turns to yellow because we have some changes that are not committed. So now instead of adding the file1.txt to the staging area and then create a commit, we can skip the staging area by executing directly the git commit command and supplying the -a option to commit all the changes. Okay, so we will commit all the changes that we have made in our repository. Okay, and then we will use the -m option to specify a message. For example, add the login feature. And here, instead of specifying -a and then -m, we can combine them together. So -am. So now let's press enter. So now we see that the commit was created successfully and the changes are committed. So here we have one file changed, we have one insertion and one deletion. So what you have to know about skipping the staging area is that you can do that only if you want to commit all the changes. Okay? So for example, if you have here two changes, we echo login to file1.txt and we echo, let's say, logout to file2.txt. So it doesn't make sense to commit all the changes together because in this case we have two features, the login and the logout. So we have first of all to stage, for example, file1.txt, and we commit the changes with the message add the login feature, and then we stage file2.txt and we create a commit with a message, for example, add the logout feature. So that's all about skipping the staging area. I hope that everything is clear and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.